Dead zone nesting support has been added for open section profiles like angle, channel, and I-beam. Without dead zone nesting, these parts are nested with large amounts of scrap due to the portion of the stock being gripped by the machine known as the dead zone. With dead zone nesting now supporting open section profiles, parts with straight end cuts can be nested inside of the dead zone by aligning the end of the part with the end of the stock, significantly reducing the scrap. Additionally, dead zone nesting can now create single part nests. Normally, this part could not fit on this size stock due to the machine's dead zone. With dead zone nesting now supporting single part nests, this part can be nested inside of the dead zone, allowing for the usage of shorter remnants that would otherwise be unused.